Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Hi everybody, welcome to the Krafty Korner. It's Katrina. I have Happy Mail. Okay, this has not been opened yet, so we're going to open this together so we can see what this is. Now, I have a good idea, but I'm just happy that my Temu orders are trickling in, y'all. And y'all know with Temu, we got to cut these bags open. So just be careful when you're opening your Temu bags. Don't cut what's in there. All right, we got this one open. So let's see what we got delivered to the Krafty Korner. All right. All right, these are my navy blue tablecloths. These will go on my tables for Easter. Thought they were cute. Took me a minute to figure out what it was because of the way it is in the package. All right, this is my dress, y'all. So yes, I bought me a dress. I do occasionally buy me things off of Temu, and I just thought this was so cute. So you may see me a few times with this dress on doing my Easter sales, because it is a Pete's dress and I love it. Ooh, and it looks so comfortable. So I will be wearing my Pete's dress, y'all. Alright, now this is a good investment, and I'll tell you why. I got these scissors off Amazon, y'all, and this is a good pair of scissors, a really good one. But I have cut wire with it and things like that, so it is getting a little bit on the dull side. I didn't want to buy another pair of scissors because I've got like 1,200 in here, but not like this one. These are shears. So instead, I invested in an electric knife sharpener to sharpen my scissors with. All right, and that's what this is. And this is an equipment saver, I guess you could say, to save the Krafty Korner equipment, because we don't want to keep replacing stuff. We want our stuff to keep working, right? I know I do. So, yeah, that's what I got. All right, now, I do have some graduates coming up. And I am making them some really, really small box gifts. All right, and this is simply the graduation cap. It's a graduation cap box with the tassels. So these will be just small, like keychain type gifts for some graduates. Almost like party favors. So that is what I picked those up for. Alright, now, remember we got the fee memo laser printer? Well, this is the box for the laser printer. And I have been waiting for this so that I can put my thermal printer away, because right now it's just been sitting here with the Cricut. This is a hard, I'm going to say hard, but it is kind of a hard top box. It's got the Velcro strap. And look, there's Fimo right there. Faux memo. I'm calling him all kinds of stuff. You can also put rolls of your thermal paper in here as well. So I'm going to stick that in there. Stick that there. So that is in there, and I'm going to close this up just to keep it protected. So when I want to use it, there's my thermal printer. I will probably put a DTF transfer on this because y'all know I'm a little extra like that. It's okay. What else is in the goodie bag? Let's see. What? All right. There's the thermal paper that will also go in to the box. And y'all know I'm going to go ahead and do that because I don't want it to disappear. And this came with 6 rolls. Yay. So I am happy about that. I will have what I need. I don't think that's going to fit in there like that. I'm definitely going to put those 4 there. And then we'll put these 2 up for another time. Yeah. Alright, so I... See what I'm saying? They fell right out the bag into the candy box, y'all. 1. And 2. So I will put those up, but so I got the 4 rolls in there with the printer. And I probably can get 1 more roll in here and then load the other roll inside the printer so that all of our goodies there are in one place. All right, and then this, I don't know, but we finna find out. That's what I thought. This is, I believe, let me get it all the way open before I say so. Okay, yeah. This is our rabbit that will be a blow up with the balls, or the eggs, the Easter eggs, at our location. And I ordered this from Temu. I will inflate it probably tomorrow to make sure it is working properly. But that is my rabbit inflatable that I got at Temu. Alright, so that is my Happy Mail for today, y'all. And hopefully we'll have some more Happy Mail tomorrow. Make sure you all tune in tomorrow night at 7 p.m. sharp for the live. And we will be doing, I do believe, my membership drawing is tomorrow, which we will do live on my public YouTube channel. All right, so y'all tune in for that. One of those lucky members is going to get a mystery box as well as gift card. So I'm super excited about that. I hope to see you all there. And leave me a comment and tell me what you think about the new jingle. Special shout out to Entrepreneurial Diary. If you all are not subscribed to her, please go subscribe. When I tell you, Shamika is so talented, y'all. So talented. You are missing out if you have not subscribed to her. Anywho, thank you, Miss Shamika. And all of you all that support, I appreciate you so much. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.